Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows Update error 0x8024002d, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to run the Windows Update troubleshooter. Right click on the Start button, select settings from the select settings from the menu. Now go to the System tab on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, select Troubleshoot. Click on Troubleshoot. Select Other Troubleshooters. Click on Run corresponding to the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It will start detecting problems and resolve them if possible. The next one is to reset Windows Update components. Okay, so we have a script for you. All you need to do is copy the script, search for command prompt in the Windows search bar, click on Run as administrator, paste the script here and hit enter. So this will stop the services associated with Windows updates. It will delete the Windows Update profile. It will delete the software distribution in cat2 folders. It will re-register all the associated DLLs. It will reset WinSock, and finally it will restart the services associated with Windows updates. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.